Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Zelle to Chime. Zelle has so many banks available to transfer money, but Zelle doesn't support Chime because Zelle doesn't support international transaction. Zelle is for those who have the US bank accounts, only for the US residents. That's why the Zelle doesn't support Chime directly. For that, we just need to follow an indirect way to transfer money from Zelle to Chime account. You just need to find your bank where you have created your account, and make sure that your bank account or your bank supports Chime transfer. They support to transfer money from your account to Chime. So you just need to connect your bank account with Zelle. Here is the whole list of the bank accounts that are supports Zelle. There, the list of banks are huge. From here you can see Zelle support a huge amount of bank to transfer money from the bank account to your Zelle account. Now, after connecting your bank account to Zelle account, you can transfer money to your Zelle account to your bank account. After a successful transaction, you can have the fund in your bank account. After getting the fund in your bank account, you can connect the bank account with your Chime account. You just need to enter your bank credentials in the Chime application, where you can transfer money from your bank account to your Chime account. Also, you can use the Chime credentials to transfer the money from your bank account to Chime account. For that, you just need to make sure that your bank supports Chime transfer. That's how you can transfer money from your Zelle account to your Chime account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.